Welcome back to Highwheel Woodworks. I'm Tim. We're still working on our treated table project. These are the dovetail drawers that are going to go in our table. So on our long access, our aprons are going to have 2 drawers on each side. Dovetail these together. They came out real good. One thing I've noticed is my dovetails have to have been off by just a touch on the one side. So I've got a little bit of a lip on the face of our drawer here to the side. So I want to take that down. And the easiest way that I have found to do that, and the way I was taught to do, is I take my jointer plane, my good old Stanley No. 7, and I'm going to run that along here. What I want to be able to do is I want to be able to span the dimensions of the drawer so I can make sure I keep everything nice and flat. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm using the side of my drawer here and the other side back here to get that to come in there nice and easy like that. That takes care of almost all of that. Wonder if I come back this way, it might be a little easier to get it a little straighter and a little flatter across there. That gets us nice and flat and nice and straight across there. And the unfortunate part about squirrely walnut is some of this I'm going with the grain, some of it I'm going against. So I'll have to come back up there and straighten that out a little bit with my smoothing plane in a little bit. We've got a little bit of a lip here. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Get that nice and flat and smooth like that. And there we go. Takes care of that one. Let's turn this around in our vise here and do one of those other angles as well. Again, the whole idea with the long jointer plane is I've got a long enough span there where I can control how flat my piece is going to stay. By coming in here, get that nice and flush. And it might look like I'm taking off a lot here, but literally these shavings on this are down to the neighborhood of maybe a couple thousandths of an inch thick at the most. And it's dialed in pretty tight. There we go. We'll do a little bit on this side as well. And there we have our surfaces nice and flush on the top all the way around. We're going to be nice and flat. And there we go. That's how we're going to take our drawer here and make sure that all of our surfaces are nice and flush. And the way we can test that is set it here on the bench. And boy, that is really nice and tight on there. It's down nice and flat. So we're in good shape. I'm going to do the other one. Then we're going to get on to sanding these real quick, clean them up a little bit, and have them ready for the process of adding the hinges. So stay tuned for that. We'll come back with the hinge process here in a little bit.